Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to get a brightening face pack on your at your home. So these kinds of face packs name is DIY face pack for brightening and also remove your suntan spots and get acne spots remove face pack. So let's start. At first my ingredient is raw milk and second is rice flour. So basically it is two ingredients that I need to my DIY face pack. So let's start how to I make my face pack. At first I take 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Then I take 1 tablespoon of raw milk and then mix this properly. Not make a thick consistency and not make a light consistency, just like in this consistency I need. Rice flour is helpful for your skins to get your skins exfoliates, your blackheads remove, suntans remove and also whiteheads remove if you want. And also if you have a dead skin cells of your skin, that also remove your rice flour in this pack. And I use this face pack on raw milk. Raw milk is helpful for your skins to moisturize and also lighten your skins and also remove your hypigmentations problem and remove your tans problem and spots remove. So friends, use this face pack on your skins or any kind of your area like your hands, legs, neck and your face and leave it 15 minutes to 20 minutes to it dry. And after dry your skins, then wet your hands and rub your skins slowly. Not very much rub your skins, just like 2 or 3 minutes to rub your skins and then wash with the cold water. Don't very much rub because I told this I use this pack in rice flour and rice flour is very much hard of your skins. If you rub your skins very hardly, then your skins have a problem, that rashes problem. So don't be very rub your skins and use this face pack 1 time in a week. Not very much time in your week because I use in the rice flour because rice flour is also help to your face scrubber problems, face scrubbers. So use this pack 1 time in a week. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.